Are you tired of high electricity bills and searching for a quick fix that promises to save you money instantly? StopWatt claims to be the solution, a small plug-in device that supposedly reduces your electricity consumption, protects appliances, and lowers monthly bills. But when we take a closer look, the reality is far from the glowing claims made in ads. Independent tests and expert analysis reveal that StopWatt offers no actual savings. Inside the device, the components are basic and do not perform any energy-regulating function, making it essentially useless. Electricians and energy specialists have explained that no plug-in device can magically reduce a home's electricity usage without affecting appliance performance or rewiring your electrical system. Consumers who purchase StopWatt have reported a range of issues, from unauthorized charges to difficulties obtaining refunds, raising serious concerns about the company's practices. There are also alarming reports about fire safety, as some units are poorly manufactured and may pose risks when left plugged in for long periods. The marketing itself raises questions. Fake testimonials, unauthorized celebrity endorsements, and exaggerated claims of instant results are common red flags in this industry. Many users discovered that the product they received looked different from promotional photos, leading to accusations of rebranding a low-cost device and selling it at an inflated price. While the concept of saving electricity is appealing, StopWatt does not deliver on its promises, and its claims contradict the findings of independent tests. The combination of misleading marketing, ineffective technology, and customer complaints makes it clear that relying on this device is unlikely to reduce your bills or improve appliance efficiency. If you're considering energy-saving solutions, it's essential to research verified methods rather than falling for flashy plug-in devices that promise the impossible. StopWatt may look appealing in ads, but the results tell a very different story, highlighting why consumers should approach these products with caution.